question, and the second question which I'm discussing, and it is from the chapter 1, sets. So what's the question? Let A and B be two finite sets such that number of elements in set A is equal to 20, number of elements in set B is equal to 28, and the number of elements in A union B is equal to 36. So you have to find the number of elements in A intersection B, right? So according to the formula, so I'm directly going to use the formula. So what is the formula? So we have to find the A intersection B, right? So number of elements in A intersection B is equal to number of elements in set A plus number of elements in set B minus number of elements in A union B, right? N of A is 20, N of B is 28, and A union B is 36. So after adding 28, 28, I will get 48, and 48 minus 36 will give me 12. So the number of elements in A intersection B is equal to 12, right? That's it, and thank you.